Public health is important to all of us, and we have the South Health District here to keep us informed of all of the issues that concern us. For this reason, they will be hosting Public Health Awareness Day on June 27th. We have Brenda Mims here to tell us all about the event. Thank you, Brenda, for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you. Well, what exactly is Public Health Awareness Day?
Well, it's our attempt to inform the community about the various services offered through public health. It's also an activity that will allow us to promote HIV testing, which June 27th is the National HIV Testing Day.
Okay, so you're kind of killing two birds with one stone there,
That's
having
right,
both at
yes.
the same time. I know with HIV testing, when I was growing up, HIV was a big deal. It seems to not be in the forefront as much anymore. So why is it important to have this day along with the HIV National Testing Day?
It's so important because sometimes people are forgetting that HIV is present in all of our communities. So one of the things that we try to do is make folk aware of the fact that the key to getting treatment, getting into care systems, really depends on them knowing what their HIV status is.
Okay. Well, along with the HIV testing, you also are having free health screenings with checking blood pressure, cholesterol, and diabetes, which obviously is a big issue here in South Georgia. Can you tell us a little bit about that and why it's important here in South Georgia?
Well, really, hypertension and diabetes is a big issue, period, nationwide. But for us in this southern region, we do have a high number of people that have hypertension, have diabetes, and what we're trying to do is make sure with anything, including HIV, early detection is the key. And we have had individuals to come through these screening events and find that their blood pressure was elevated at the time of the screening, and help them to get in or refer them or encourage them to follow up with their local physicians.
Okay, that's awesome. Now, June 27th is the day.
Yes.
Where's this going to take place?
It's going to actually take place at the Lowndes County Civic Center on Highway 84 from 9 a.m. tomorrow until 2. We'll also be serving lunches. There's a requirement, though. Individuals have to go to certain tables, which have specific healthcare information dealing with different conditions in order for them to be able to get their lunch. So it's not being forced to learn, but highly encouraged.
Well, if there's any more information that people want about this event, who do they need to contact? Who do they need to see?
They need to contact myself, Brenda Mims, at 245-8711, extension 237, or John Rogers, 245-8711, extension 241.
Okay. We want to thank Ms. Mims for coming in and sharing this vital public health information, and we'll be back here on City Focus.